I have 5 minutes. So I want to introduce you to the Roseon Exchange. The Roseon Exchange, our goal is to make DeFi fun again. So we're adding gamification to DeFi. As we all know, the problem statement, FTX kind of messed up the whole market. We were doing very well until FTX crashed the entire market. And then, of course, crypto adoption. The problem with crypto adoption is it's not easy. There's lots of barriers of entry. So our goal is to make DeFi accessible and fun. That's our solution. We have 2 products to date. Okay, we have a Roseon app, which is a mobile DeFi wallet. It's got a smart wallet. It supports NFT. It connects to Pancake, Beefy, and many other DeFi products, services. And we have games. We have mini games to keep the users engaged. We have a launchpad. We're one of the very few mobile launchpad. We've launched more than 60 projects. And the ability to wait at the bus stop or take transit to work and invest in an IDO. We have an NFT marketplace, and we have much more. But what we're launching next month is the gamified DEX. Okay, so again, this is a perp DEX. It's got some cool singer sign-on technology, but the idea is to keep the users engaged through gamification, because you're when you trade or when you farm, you click and you wait for 2 months. So we add in mini games and activities in between to help you earn more rewards. Just want to give you a quick background of how we came about. 2 years ago, we raised and we launched our product. We won an award for some blockathon run by Binance. Our TVL, so this is for the mobile app. Our TVL reached 18 mil. We became cross-chain, supporting Solana, BSC, Ethereum, and Matic. We support OKX, OKChain, and we're working on Arbitrum right now. We're one of the very few Web3 game launcher. We have games, 7 games, and by the end of last year, we hit about 300K user base, and with 20K DAU. And of course, we didn't stop there, so we wanted to keep going. This was the bear market, so we kept building. We started building the decentralized exchange. Oh, by the way, we were enrolled in the Binance Accelerator program. So here is the landscape. It's obviously much busier now since the last month, but we're really competing with DYDX, GMX, Perpetual Gains. Gains was listed. So the business model for the mobile app is transaction fees, listing fees, paid app advertisement. So you're playing games and we pop up some ads. We do NFT sales. And then for the DEX, we're gonna trading fees and listing fees. So here are some numbers. We have about 100K Twitter follower. We have a website, a blog that gets about 35K monthly views. We have 350K downloads and 300K users, 100 plus advisors and partners. Our advisors, and we have about 100 plus advisors, partners. And the team, we're mainly in Vietnam, Ho Chi Minh City. So what we need, we're doing an equity raise. We need some financial assistance, channel partnerships, and of course, all of this money is to scale.
Hey, so what's your current revenue model right now then? And what's I think you guys have a 20K DAU. What's the revenue per month that's kind of coming from the DEX right now?
The DEX is being launched next month.
Oh, so it's not launched yet.
But the mobile app, we were during the bull market, we were hitting about 100K a month.
$100K
yes,
per month for the mobile app.
Yes,
so
yes.
it's the sorry, what's the mobile app?
the mobile, we started out as the mobile DeFi aggregator. Right?
The aggregation. Okay, got it. So 100K, averaged out 2 years. What is that looking like?
You know, the bear market did really hurt us.
Right.
And that's why we decided to build more and build a business that actually makes revenue based on bear or bull, right? So our perp decks will make, you can trade both ways.
Got it. So that's the perp. And how are you guys, sorry, you guys had a question? Okay, I'm just gonna. And how are you guys gamifying? What does the gamification look like?
Yeah, so one example of gamification is, when you stake in a staking pool, and you stake and you wait 6 weeks or X amount of days, right? So we add in some tapping. So we're actually it's like a tug of war. It's a tap of war. So it's a pool of 6 stakers. If I tap, then I'll get the higher rewards. If I tap as much, right, then I get higher rewards.
So you stake and then you're tapping.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. So depending on, sorry, how does that work? Like if I tap more, I get more yield?
Yeah, yes. So from the company perspective, we give a fixed amount of yield, but it's distributed amongst the staker. So if you tap, then you get a little bit more.
Got it. And I guess like how does that add value to the protocol as a whole then? Like
it keeps people engaged.
Oh, it's just an engagement mechanism.
Yes. So staking is quite boring.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then another example is to encourage more trading activity. So we have a rewards point system, and then you earn the rewards point system. And at the end of every trade, when you close a position, we would then throw a game, and then you complete the game, and then you can earn additional rewards, or you can convert the rewards back to our native token.
Are you guys putting a barrier for people to, get rewards once they want to withdraw them? Like, is that coming before I withdraw my money from the protocol or withdraw money from the rewards pool? Like this game, when does it pop up? Is it an option for me?
Yeah, no,
it's an option
it
for
pops up, and if you want to play or not. Yes,
Okay,
Yes.
got it. And you guys said you had a fiat on-ramp, off-ramp. What does that look like?
It's on the mobile app, Banksa. We use Banksa.
Banksa.
Yeah.
Okay, so you guys have a partner that can directly on.
We integrate with Banksa. We integrate with SumSup for KYC.
And is it only in Vietnam then?
No. We are based. The operation is based in Vietnam. We're global.
Where can the people do on and off ramp for Vietnam? And
based on Banksa's requirements. Whatever Banksa supports, we support that too.
I have a quick question as well. Just a bit more of a technical question in terms of the raise. The first 2.1 million you guys raised on tokens, and now you're opening up an equity round. Can you explain the rationale? And also what I'm quite interested to understand is, how does the value go to the equity holders if you're trying to incentivize your token economy?
This is a good question. And we have white label service, incubation services, and marketing services. So you know what? I don't have the answer for that one. I actually don't. Yes, thank you.
How many users do you have in there?
We have about 290 something.
So when do you see advertisement coming in?
When I see
advertisements,
only playing games. When you're playing games, then you get, because it's hard to make money in games.
Yeah.
Everybody knows that GameFi does not make money unless you start selling NFTs. We have an NFT marketplace, which we call the game store. People are trading games in the game store, but it's not generating enough revenue. So we pop in ads.
Got it. So for white label services in just 5 seconds, right? Who are you white labeling it to?
Yeah, so ideally the main targets are
Time's up.
game projects who focuses on game. We then help them build the app. We already have the app built. Yeah.